Saya. Nako. Na-15 ko na, mabubudin ako today. Uy, Aris. Ano naman?
Bye-bye.
Ay, oo naman. Hello. Saan ang courier? Mas marami daw exhibitors ngayon.
Trust me, I will make sure it's balanced, well balanced. You know, you win, they win, everybody is happy.
Ito.
Remind lang natin, Ernel, for the claims, halimbawa na aksidente pero hindi naman nabalian, nasugatan, what's important is
wala pa sila.
kung nagpagamot kayo,
Para sa stage.
dahil nagasgasan kayo, hindi pa nabalian, it's just official receipts kung sinong tumingin. And at the same time, kung may prescribed na medicine, submit lang sa amin para ma-process. Because hindi naman kami kaya mahula.
Courier. Uy, bago to ah.
As the procedure of claiming, as our parang endorsement, when they click on it,
Ang kulay ba to?
it's part of the package now, so that it's simplified. Remember this, guys, if you want to be able to get your coverage or benefits from an insurance company, make sure you have the receipts. Now, receivables activity, which also, that's why I'm calling on all the event organizers here to please coordinate with PJ
Sobrang presko niya. Abis matuyo din.
So the as our parang
Thank you, Sir Arnel. So, special by Sir
exhibitor partners.
Iba yung material.
Because they provide real value. Hindi po sila benta-benta lang.
Right now,
So, Sir Angel Simon, where art thou?
we'd like to call on Angel.
Yeah, Sir Angel Simon.
You gotta call on the angel without the wings.
And maybe this time one. Ayun.
Ano yan? Meron talaga? May nagpapapasok na?
Wow, that's a fantastic
Wala.
bike up on stage. It's from our friend Brian from Liberty and Co. Wow, family tandem traveler, Lumos helmet. So,
I just want to get the feedback from the cycling community. Kasi I really love these types of events.
Ito, tayo turn out subong oh.
Ayun, despite na init, naman ako tao, not as much as
And this holding the Ultrafly, and over here is the Ultrafly Pro. Now
Bike
these helmets do not have
That's just amazing. That's amazing.
so
Wow. This looks hefty.
Yeah. I'm just looking at the white one.
Looks hefty.
Is this available right now?
these are all available right now in our own Liberty company. Over there in the corner. They just have a board, and you can just look for us, Liberty and Company.
is left side of the stage, guys. So, check on their booths. So, do you have anything?
There you go. Liberty and Company.
So we talked about the campus.
wala, usually nakasama sa headset yun.
So campus is a
Pero straight, yung fork straight. Hindi, yung fork ko yung staple. Yung
Walang bear trap. Walang bear trap. Safe ako. Okay. Sir, hindi ka nainitan? Sanay na? Sanay na?
Sanay po.
Ay, breathable naman pala eh.
Oo. Breathable to. Kahapon, mainit.
Ito.
Uy, si Batman!
Ano na? Ang ganda nito. Oh. Wow, ang ganda. Magkano to? 38. Ganda. Ngayon ko lang nakita in person. Ganda oh. Magkano yung Merlot? 16. Dalawa yung ano nyo, hooligan nyo. Sold na. Nice, nice.